internet to back to road. We pay you what is due. I may call it and I'll deal with them because there is no way I'll from 20. What, there are 5 years?
Yeah, almost 5 years. Because even me, I bought even the part.
And it looks like it used to be a good vehicle.
It's still a new vehicle.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah. Mm.
I've been repairing the county, IBC of Nairobi.
Chigari renga chire garage ya Nairobi chetu.
Nairobi gara
Mm.
I got 371 Vinjang, Jaro, where Karum.
No, you be back. Let me see what the state of it is. Gali have fix ya kwirangi. It on the back of the road. These people need vehicles. They need new vehicles, and there is new vehicles they have dumped here.
Yeah, in fact, I think
Eh?
I think one of the young was to go here. No, let's say I just more repairs. Talk about. Actually, one of 042. I think he has a good land rover. We took two at the Garo, the one who show Wakan and I need one on your Montayo lineup.
No, anything that is due for payment for as long as I haven't added them to your carriages, I will pay. I need you come and to sort this problem. You know, it's very unfortunate.
Yeah.
But people want us to buy new vehicles when new vehicles have been brought here 5 years down the line. Yeah.
It's a problem too about before. Nandi is very actually gender as a friend. Very account. I'm a transportation, transport nero. Now my transport nero in this account. When the vehicles are repaired and moving, yani akobara is in order, correct? I just only the clutch.
A clutch.
The clutch area and the bar. So, you know, even me and myself, I was asking myself, Jabona, your mother will repair, and then you pay me storage. Because they are doing about interest. You could repair.
Tell me, do you have anything of the county again?
No, I don't have anything else.
When are you back here?
I'm coming next week. Actually, the gang chain call, give me myself, then I'll give you the whole story.
Sasao.
Yeah.
Okay.